Amazon is one of the largest multinational e-commerce and technology companies in the world. The company started as an online bookstore in 1994 and has since expanded to offer a vast selection of products and services, including electronics, clothing, household goods, groceries, streaming services, cloud computing, and more. Amazon has also become a major player in the entertainment industry, producing movies and TV shows through its Amazon Studios division and acquiring the film and TV studio MGM in 2021. In addition to its consumer-facing offerings, Amazon also provides cloud computing services through its Amazon Web Services, AWS platform, which is used by businesses and organizations of all sizes. The company is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, and has operations in numerous countries around the world. Amazon is known for its customer-centric approach, innovative technology, and fast delivery times, and has become a household name in many parts of the world. Here are some interesting facts about Amazon. Founding. Amazon was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in his garage in Seattle, Washington. Services. Amazon started out as an online bookstore but has since expanded to offer a wide range of products and services, including electronics, clothing, household goods, groceries, streaming services, and more. Revenue. Amazon is one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $1.5 trillion as of 2021. In 2020, the company's net revenue was over $386 billion. Employees. Amazon employs over 1.3 million people worldwide, making it one of the largest employers in the world. Prime membership. Amazon's Prime membership program offers customers free 2-day shipping, access to streaming services, and other benefits. As of 2021, there are over 200 million Amazon Prime members worldwide. Acquisitions. Amazon has made several high-profile acquisitions over the years, including Whole Foods Market in 2017, PillPack in 2018, and MGM Studios in 2021. Technology. Amazon has been at the forefront of innovation in the tech industry, with products like the Amazon Echo smart speaker and its voice assistant Alexa, as well as its drone delivery program. Philanthropy. Amazon has committed to several philanthropic initiatives, including the Climate Pledge, which aims to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2040, and the Amazon Smile program, which donates a portion of eligible purchases to charity. Controversy. Amazon has faced criticism over the years for issues like worker safety, labor practices, and antitrust concerns. Future plans. Amazon continues to expand its services and offerings, including plans for satellite internet service, grocery stores without checkout lines, and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.